Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find good music on Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to your Epidemic Sound account. Just click on Discover right here. And then you go ahead and use the search box. And you could filter this out using the latest tracks or popular tracks. Popular tracks right here are most used by the people using Epidemic Sound. Okay, you have a list right here. You gotta filter this out however you want. For example, you only like a dreamy audio or hopeful, dark, quirky, angry, busy, and fantastic. It will then go ahead and list all the popular music within this specific filter. Okay, now you can go ahead and use the AI assistant right here. All you got to do is just describe your project, and the AI right here, or the Epidemic Sound AI, will give you the best option. Let's say my video is about fireflies, scenic view of mountain with me having a happy face all the time. Hit on enter, and then it will find the best music for you. As you can see here, it is now loading. And as you can see here, as fast as that, we now have our results. You can go ahead and test it out. Just click on play right here, play everything that is suggested. And if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and download it from here. All right. Download the full mix if you want to. You can just download the melody, instrument, bass, or drums only. You can cut it if you want to. For example, you wanted the audio in this section. Well, just go ahead and move this slider right here or this frame and then hit on continue. Let's say I'm going to download the full track, select the specific file format, click on continue, and confirm. All right, save it wherever you want, save. And then once that's done, here we have it. You can now then go ahead and open up the folder, move it to your editing platform, cut it however you want, and upload it whenever you want. And that is how you find good music on Epidemic Sound. But if you want to know more about Epidemic Sound, we have a ton of videos about it. Gotta check our channel out. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.